guys, it's me again. I'm here to put the windshield cover. But first I gotta remove the cover. There you go. Whoop. Almost OEM. I had to move bikes because of the alternative side parking rules for tomorrow, and it's gonna pour tomorrow, severe weather. So yeah, as I was saying, the bike's fuel pump does not prime because it has some issues. I already know the issue because I spent some time yesterday figuring it out. But in September, this bike was attempted to be stolen. Like somebody tried to steal this bike in September, and they broke the key switch, the ignition key switch. We replaced everything, the gas tank and the fuel, the rear seat. We replaced everything, and apparently the key switch, the ignition key switch, went bananas. Now it's gone. There is a safety xenon diode underneath. I think that goes bad. But this was bought OEM, brand new, $200, $200 something for a used motorcycle. So we switched that one, and now it's not working anymore. It's not starting anymore. As you can see, the fuel injector stays on, and there is no fuel prime. So it's a simple fix, but it's time consuming. So I will try and take care of it in the future, like recently. And yeah, let me cover the bike now and go home. I gotta cover the other bike too. Now, this is what I was saying, that they dropped 2x4 or some whatever the fuck they dropped. And this is what they ripped off, and this one here they ripped it off. Brand new covers, because the previous cover, when they attempted to steal it, they cut the shit out of it. And now time to cover this one. This one has more real estate, this one, so it takes longer to cover this kind of thing. I've seen a lot of homeless people try to steal these covers because, you know, in the winter they're waterproof or water resistant from the rain, and they're quite warm, so they try and nick these covers up. So well, we have to lock the shit out of it. But yeah, so these are the bikes, both of them. Shit all over the place. Now, if you like the video, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to support the channel. If you didn't like it, put the thumbs down, leave it on the comment why you didn't like it, even if it's just for the fuck of it. Just let me know, you know. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos in the future. I'll try and upload a video once a week. I have quite a few things to do. As you guys saw, the bike doesn't prime, the Honda, so I have to do some work on the Honda. which is a simple fix, but we gotta contact the company that we bought the ignition key switch on, because it should not break in 2 months, within 2 months. So yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do: comment it, subscribe it, like it, dislike it, and thanks for watching. Ride recklessly and stay safe.